在3GROW，我们有大量的专业人才，他们把激情转换为行动，他们把梦想转换为现实，他们把需求转换为服务，他们是技术的先行者，他们是时代的见证者，他们是产业的贡献者，为客户提供可持续的高效能服务，成为可靠的合作伙伴。这一切可靠卓越的背后，是坚持不断的自我革命，是求所不止的创新研发，是一丝不苟的严苛测试，是严谨细致的生产规范。针对每一个细节的执着追求，确保每一件产品的可靠高效，而一切的最初是为了成就客户的不变初心。以技术创新为原动力，实现可持续的高效能。新的能源转换技术将全面取代传统模式，将清洁电力送入千家万户。我们致力于成为清洁电力转换技术全球领跑者，引领高效能的清洁电力时代，加快生态文明建设的步伐。3GROW和你携手迎接未来，让人人享用清洁电力。阳光把源源不断的能量送达地球，阳光使空气流动形成了风。我们拥抱温暖，感受拂面微风。3GROW把大自然的恩赐转换为人人享用的清洁电力。在3GROW，我们有大量的专业人才，他们把激情转换为行动，他们把梦想转换为现实，他们把需求转换为服务，他们是技术的先行者，他们是时代的见证者，他们是产业的贡献者，为客户提供可持续的高效能服务，成为可靠的合作伙伴。这一切可靠卓越的背后，是坚持不断的自我革命，是求所不止的创新研发，是一丝不苟的严苛测试，是严谨细致的生产规范。针对每一个细节的执着追求，确保每一件产品的可靠高效，而一切的最初是为了成就客户的不变初心。以技术创新为原动力，实现可持续的高效能。新的能源转换技术将全面取代传统模式，将清洁电力送入千家万户。我们致力于成为清洁电力转换技术全球领跑者，引领高效能的清洁电力时代，加快生态文明建设的步伐。3GROW和你携手迎接未来，让人人享用清洁电力。阳光把源源不断的能量送达地球，阳光使空气流动形成了风。我们拥抱温暖， 受拂面微风。SunGrow 把大自然的恩赐转换为人人享用的清洁电力。在SunGrow，我们有大量的专业人才，他们把激情转换为行动，他们把梦想转换为现实，他们把需求转换为服务。他们是技术的先行者，他们是时代的见证者，他们是产业的贡献者，为客户提供可持续的高效能服务，成为可靠的合作伙伴。这一切可靠卓越的背后，是坚持不断的自我革命，是求索不止的创新研发，是一丝不苟的严苛测试，是严谨细致的生产规范。针对每一个细节的执着追求，确保每一件产品的可靠高效，而一切的最初是为了成就客户的不变初心。以技术创新为原动力，实现可持续的高效能。新的能源转换技术将全面取代传统模式，将清洁电力送入千家万户。我们致力于成为清洁电力转换技术全球领跑者，引领高效能的清洁电力时代，加快生态文明建设的步伐。SunGrow 和你携手迎接未来，让人人享用清洁电力。
各位观众们，大家上午好，欢迎继续收看我们的直播。那我们现在呢，依然是在2020上海 SNEC 展会的现场。展会呢已经进行到了第2天，但是呢人气依旧不减。那么我们今天 SunGrow 直播的第一个环节呢，我们请到了阳光电源亚太大区的技术支持经理杰森刘为我们做一个阳光展台和展品的详细介绍。Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to watch our live broadcast. I'm still at Shanghai SNEC Expo 2020. The exhibition has entered its second day and its popularity is still unabated. For the first part of today's live broadcast, we have invited Jason Liu, the Technical Support Manager of SunGrow APAC area, to give us a detailed introduction of our booth and our products. Hi Jason, let's say hello to everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Jason from SunGrow. I'm in charge of the technical support for the SunGrow APAC region. And today, it is my honor to stand here to share my ideas with you about the SunGrow products and the SunGrow solutions. So let's to introduce our products and solutions here. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. And can you talk about your feelings about participating in SNEC as the staff member?
Okay. As you know, we are from SunGrow, and SunGrow, every year, SunGrow is waiting here for you, and we are the largest booth for all this exhibition. And SNEC is the most important exhibition for the PV industry. And SunGrow is the #1 supplier of the PV inverters and solutions. So as you know, today is the second day of this exhibition, and many people here. And for the SunGrow booth, we are exciting and rich for the solutions. Yes.
Okay, thank you for your hard work. And now please show us around the booth and let me feel the strength of the SunGrow products, okay?
Okay, yes.
Okay, let's go.
This is SunGrow residential inverters, and as you know, our Sungrow offers one of the broadcast portfolio of residential inverters currently of the markets. Our power is ranging from 3 kilowatt to 20 kilowatt, and this domestic product is from 8, you can see it here, 8 kilowatt to 25, and for the overseas market, the power is from 3 to 20 kilowatt. And we suitable for the maintained residential rooftops and for the various countries. For Sungrow's residential solutions, we are easy to install and easier to run. This is our new product this year, and it's a very flexible PV string configuration with DC AC ratio up to 1.3, and field-rich online monitoring with app, and you can stand here for the O&M very easily to fitting control, and building the structures for the reduced current protection is that. So for this product, it's very fast and easy commissioning with app. Okay. This is the inside for this inverter here, for this inverter. Our the production glass is IP65. So for the communication modules, we provide the Wi-Fi and 4G generation products for these products. So all the residential products is very easy to install and very easy to understand for these products. Okay. 我要录你。Okay. So here is Sungrow CNI market. We provide these string inverters. As you know, Sungrow provide a competitive portfolio of system solution ranging from 33 kilowatt to 100 kilowatt. For the domestic market, we provide the 100 kilowatt string inverters. But for the overseas market, we provide 110 kilowatt for the overseas market. So you can see it here. For this inverter, for this 33 inverter, and DC, for the DC side, you can see it here is 3 MPPT for these products. We needing efficiency, and built-in PID recovery function is also inside this product here. And also for all the string inverters, we provide the smart IV curve scanning function. As you know, for the rooftop market, all the inverter is in the rooftop, and IV curve is the basic function for our customers and for the system solution. And the fuse-free design with the smart string current monitoring is also the main function of these products. In addition, for these products, we provide M+1 flexible configuration. It means that if your rooftop is 1 kilowatt, it's 100 kilowatt, you can use 2 SG 15CX. Or if your rooftop is 215 kilowatt, you can use 1 SG 15CX and 2 SG 100CX. So we provide this. Our product is a flexible configuration based on your demands, and very flexible to the system application. So also we provide the AFCI function for all these string inverters. As you know, for the rooftop market, safety is very, very important. So Sungrow is now, all the product is integrated with the AFCI function, and we provide this product to customers. In addition, for the DC side, we provide the Type 2 SPD and both for the both DC and AC. It's Type 1 and Type 2 option for the productors. It's only for the safety. 这边讲它那边会卡住吧？会停住，不会讲。Okay. For this product, you can see here is 4G communication. It's also one here. And is for the DC side also is multiply MPPT. And this is Wi-Fi module. We can provide the flexible communication. And I just mentioned that it's support Wi-Fi and 3G communication for all the productors. And this is our smart communication box, COM100. It is an integrated device inside these productors. Inside from Sungrow side, we not only provide the inverters, but also we provide the monitoring system solution. This is monitoring hardware. Also, you can see it here for the monitoring software. So for these productors, this is called COM100, especially for the rooftop market, rooftop application. 1 megawatt, for example, 1 megawatt rooftop market, we can provide one device for this application. And also, as you know, data log is not only the data transmission, but also we also provide the filtering control. It's also for control the active power and the reactive power for the rooftop. As you know, zero active power function is very important for the overseas market, especially for APEC region. For example, in Malaysia, in Vietnam, in these countries, all the rooftop need the zero active power function. Also, for the domestic market, we provide the power factor is also provide function. Okay, I just mentioned that for this our distribution solutions, I just mentioned that this is 4G communication, support 1 or 2, and this because for the rooftop market, we provide a monitoring solution, and for the you can see the application case here, 3 megawatt and 25 megawatt for these productors. Yeah. This is the CNI rooftop market for the system solution. Okay, I just introduced our string inverter for the CNI market. So for this region, for this product, you can see this is Sungrow string inverter for the utility scale system solution. This is for the domestic market 100 wattage system, and this is 115 wattage system. So this product is the power is 136 kilowatt, and this product is especially for the, I just mentioned that for the domestic market is 225 kilowatt for the domestic market, and also for the overseas market we provide the 215 kilowatt product. As you know, this product also have the 3 gigawatt shipment and 5 gigawatt project applications for all the global market. For the DC side, for this product, DC side, you can see this product is 24 string input, and every 2 strings 1 MPPT. So for this product is 12 MPPT. And for the AC side, you can see it here. It's very easy to install, and for the AC cable, for the AC cables, is the product. Okay, this is the product's basic function. But also, I also wanted to talk about our system cost for this product. This product will support low LCOE and to support the plant. And for this product also, our screen inverter is IP166 protection class and C5 arrangement. And also for this utility scale system, we provide the IV curve. For example, 100 megawatt plant, PV plant, the IV curve is only needed 10 minutes to curve all the screens and all the plant. It only needed 10 minutes to provide the report and provide this function. In addition, for this product also is easily to O&M and higher efficiency for the system application. Okay, so this is a utility scale for our string inverter solutions. So let's go to see our central inverter solutions for the utility scale. Okay, this is our new product, SG3000 and 125 kilowatt product. This product is IP65 protection class for these products. So you can see this. This is the cabinet box. So for the SG3000 and 125 HV, this is the turnkey solution for the 100 and 1,500 wattage systems. So advanced three-level technology max inverter efficiencies is 99% for this product. And till now, as you know, 1,500 wattage system is very popular all around the world, especially not only for the domestic market we provide these products, but for the overseas market also this product is very popular for the overseas market, especially for APAC region and American market. As you know, this product is integrated with zone monitoring function. Zone monitoring function and for the online analysis and troubleshooting design. So I just mentioned that for utility scale application, we Sungrow provide string inverter solution and provide the central inverter solution. Also, we can provide a total solution, but our design is based on the demands. We provide the flexible, the suitable solution for you. Demand depends on the application. String solution and central solution is optional. Especially for this central inverter is the grid support function. As you know, low voltage read through active and LVRT and HVRT function is the basic function for this product. Also, for the active power and the reactive power function is also supported by this product. As you know, system response time for this product, the reactive power response time is 13 milliseconds for this product, and especially for the overseas market, as you know, the grid support function, especially for the system response time, especially for the active power, response time for active power and the response time for the reactive power. For Sungrow inverters now is contribute very fast and comments to the demand to the countries, and we satisfy the requirements of every country's grid code for the system. Okay, this is I mentioned that this is central inverter for the application. Okay, so I just introduced the system application for Sungrow string inverters and central inverters for the PV systems. So let's come to the energy storage system for Sungrow ESS solutions. As you know, PV inverter is our major business, while we also have the presence in other businesses, but also the energy storage market, we also provide the PCS and ESS solutions. For the ESS, it's energy storage system. For the energy storage system, you can see it here. This is the PCS, Sungrow is on the path to becoming the world lead in supply of energy storage system equipment and integrated system solutions. As you know, till now, the ESS applications is more than 100 application sensors. This is our new product for new series of the PCS products. PCS is the basic device for the energy storage system. As you know, PV inverter can support DC-AC transmission, and for the PCS side, PCS inverters it can support DC to AC, also support AC to DC side. So for the PCS, I just mentioned that this is the basic inverter, basic device for the energy storage systems. Also for the battery, you can see it here. This battery is LFP solutions. For Sungrow, we provided the package solutions for the energy storage system. Not only in the PCS, but also the battery. We also provided the system package solutions for all the energy storage systems. So especially for the energy storage, what Sungrow can do is the system application and system integration for all the energy storage projectors, for all the system, all the projectors. As you know, this year, not only for the domestic market, but also for the overseas market, the storage system is also very important. From Sungrow side, we not only provide the PV inverter solution, but also for the energy storage systems. Okay, this is the product for Sungrow energy storage system is the PCS and the battery. What Sungrow can do is for the energy storage system is we can provide the system integrations for all the energy storage systems. That is Sungrow's core competitiveness. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for your introduction. And throughout your introduction, I believe that the audience has a preliminary understanding of the Sungrow products. And could you please introduce some representative reference of our products?
Okay. So for the system applications, you can see this is our Sungrow the system applications. Also, you can see here, this is the rooftop market. I just mentioned that this is for the rooftop applications. As you know, till now, Sungrow, our shipment of the system is 102 gigawatt projectors for all the products. So for the you can see this is the system application for the energy storage applications, energy storage projectors. Okay. For the design and for the battery management and for the internal test. Okay, this is Australia, 5 gigawatt storage systems. This is America, PV and ESS protectors. Okay, 4 kilowatts. This is the domestic storage, energy storage systems. This is the 23.5 megawatt for the domestic energy storage system. Also, this is from England. Okay, for the inverters. This is DC cable, very large DC cable application system in America. This is for in China, Xinjiang province, we provide the TV integration systems. It's the grid side for the storage system, for the grid side. This is in Japan products, Japan applications to 24.4 kilowatt for the Japan market. As you know, you can see that our energy storage system applications all around the world. Till now, we also provide more than 1,000 system applications for the producers, especially for also energy storage systems. So I just introduced the Sungrow energy storage system applications. So let's you can see here our global total integration is 120 gigawatt for the projectors. Okay, this is for the domestic market. We provide utility systems for low LCOE and grid support function. This is the globe largest PV plant for 500 megawatt in Qinghai province is utility projectors for Qinghai. 2 gigawatts in Ningxia province is utility, use Sungrow central inverter solutions. This is a very big utility projector. This is 100 megawatt project in Guangdong province. Okay, this is 100 megawatt project in Gansu province for the utility projectors for Gansu province. Okay, this is Anhui province, Pailan. This is floating. As you know, Sungrow provides not only for the PV system but also for the floating system. It's very popular all around the world. As you know, floating is for Sungrow, our floating solution is 33% for the global market. Okay, this is 100 megawatt for the talent. It's 24 megawatt for talent floating system. It also uses Sungrow string inverters. This is 215 gigawatt project. Especially this is Vietnam 250 megawatt utility project. As you know, Vietnam market is a big market for, especially for the 219. We from Sungrow side we nearly 1.2 gigawatt project there 1 year, and all the project is finished the commissioning and finished the COD for the producers. Okay.案例会先不讲，反正没多少人。最后那个我们背景在哪？背景，最后我们总结的时候。这个我I just introduced our system application, so we back to the string inverters. As you know, that Sungrow string inverters is very popular all around the world. not only for the residential application, but also for the commercial and the utility applications for all these products. Also, for all these products, we provide the package solutions, especially for the energy storage system. This is the PCS inverters for the energy storage systems. Till now, SunGrow ESS solutions is more than 1,000 application scenarios and 1,000 applications for these energy storage systems. I just mentioned for our applications that all the energy storage system application is from grid support side to the user side.这边可以再讲都没事，再讲一遍都没事，对吧？ Okay, this is the battery. SunGrow also provided the till now all the way from customer side they are interested about the LFP batteries. Those this is 218 watt products, and maybe for the one pack or one rack, we till now is can support more than 118 kilowatts. So all the design depends on the system communication, and it depends on the configuration for the battery. As you know, energy storage the requirement is different. So our products and our solutions it depends on your requirements to provide the package solutions for the energy storage systems. This is SunGrow central inverters, SG2 300125 kilowatt. Actually, it's 1015 wattage system for these central inverters, especially in Indian market, in Vietnam market, also for the American market. Central inverters is very popular because of the utility applications. Especially for the central inverters, SunGrow provide a full range of the high quality central inverters and turnkey solutions from 500 kilowatt to 6.8 megawatt solutions. This is our central inverters, is the power arrangement. For providing the customer with the reliability and efficiency despite for the utility scale installation. Also, this is central inverter. You can see this is the GC combined box. GC combined box is a basic device for our central solutions. From SunGrow side, we provided this smart GC combined box. Till now, for the GC combined box, the GC fuse can support 15 to or 20 current. And as you know, maybe the PV panels is become bigger and bigger, especially for this year. The PV panels maybe can reach to the 500 wattage, kilowatt, 500 wattage or 600 wattage plus for the applications. So from DC combined box side, we can support to extend the GC fuse to support this high level PV panels. Also for the GC fuse, we can support 13 wattage current for the system applications. Because as you know, this year, especially for the SNEC 2020, all the PV panels exhibition high-level PV panels. 500 and more than some PV panel manufacturer is supported can support the more than 600 PV panels for the system applications. So from the inverter side, we can support applications and system. Okay, this is the Sungrow string inverter for the CNI market. For the rooftop market, we provide from 13.3 kilowatt to 100 kilowatt product. This product series for the rooftop market. I just mentioned that for the 100 kilowatt product for the domestic market, and for the overseas market, we provide 110 kilowatts for the domestic market, for the overseas market. And all this CNI market, this is the string inverter for its support M+1 flexible configuration. It means that all these products can use each other based on the requirements of the rooftop. For example, for the 100 kilowatt rooftop, you can use two products, so SG156, and also for the if your rooftop is 142, okay, yeah. So this is string inverter for the CNI market.
Okay, thank you very much for your introduction. And through your efforts, Sungrow can provide customers with more high-quality products. And finally, could you briefly talk about why customers choose Sungrow products? Where are our advantages compared with other companies?
Okay. I just introduced all the Sungrow products and Sungrow solutions from the residential applications to CNI rooftop market and for the utility market, and also for the PV energy storage system. As you know, from my side, I'm in Sungrow for 4 years, and in my mind, I think for these three aspects to introduce you about why customer will choose Sungrow. Firstly, Sungrow, our commission is clean power for all, and we are committed to provide the clean power to all, and committed to the clean power exchange for the clean power. Okay, this is first point. For the second point, in my opinion, as you know, Sungrow, we are last year the Hamburg researchment is mentioned that Sungrow our inverter brand is the 100% bankable inverter brand. It means that if you choose Sungrow, you are easy, or customer or EPC side, it is easy for you to receive the bank debt for the system applications. So we are the 100% bankable inverter brand for the global inverter market. In the second part, I will introduce that because Sungrow is founded at 1997, Our system application is 23 years, and we provide these 23 years. We are paying more attention for the technical innovation, for the system application innovation, and till now our product is used for global market, nearly 120 countries. And for the global market, we also provide this foreign application systems for all the global markets. So these 3 points, I just mentioned these 3 points can make a customer think that Sungrow is the most is the most important, or we are very perfect inverter brand for you to choose Sungrow and for your systems, especially for PV inverter and for the energy storage system, and also for the floating, for the EPC side. Yes, so that's all. I just mentioned that this is Sungrow inverter. It is good for you to choose our inverters and our product and solutions.
Okay, yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And this is the end of our live broadcast. And then we also have another webinars or another events. And please stay with me. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. We also provide some professional webinar for you to introduce Sungrow solutions and Sungrow inverters.
好了，那么以上就是我们今天上午的第1场直播。那么接下来我们还有更多的直播的内容，请大家持续关注，不要走开，谢谢。
Thank you. See you online.
See you.
阳光把源源不断的能量送达地球，阳光使空气流动，形成了风。我们拥抱温暖，感受拂面微风。Sungrow 把大自然的恩赐转换为人人享用的清洁电力。在 Sungrow， 我们有大量的专业人才，他们把激情转换为行动，他们把梦想转换为现实，他们把需求转换为服务，他们是技术的先行者，他们是时代的见证者，他们是产业的贡献者，为客户提供可持续的高效能服务，成为可靠的合作伙伴。这一切可靠卓越的背后，是坚持不断的自我革命，是求索不止的创新研发，是一丝不苟的严苛测试，是严谨细致的生产规范。针对每一个细节的执着追求，确保每一件产品的可靠高效，而一切的最初是为了成就客户的不变初心。以技术创新为原动力，实现可持续的高效能。新的能源转换技术将全面取代传统模式，将清洁电力送入千家万户。我们致力于成为清洁电力转换技术全球领跑者，引领高效能的清洁电力时代，加快生态文明建设的步伐。Sungrow 和你携手迎接未来，让人人享用清洁电力。
么框的，下面的人不给了，就这么框一个人，
不给了是吧？这个框的吗？
对，下面也没啥人，就这么框着。
昨天就是我们，他完了以后也就下午就没了。
对，不是，昨天这边不是有发布会吗？
发布会是下午。不让他走道。
口味升级、包装升级，请正前台扫码关注领取。第二站品质见证集赞礼，光储并济的实力，欢迎你的见证。拍摄阳光电源展台，发布微信朋友圈或抖音号集赞，凭截图在前台领取礼品。集满18个赞获得价值80元多功能数据线，66个赞送价值200元定制充电宝，168个赞送价值400元蓝牙耳机。第三站光储发电大挑战，体验闯关游戏的热情，感受精美礼品的召唤。上午10点，下午14点半，阳光展台大屏游戏区邀您 PK 电力值。第四站网红 ins 拍照区，不用翻墙也能实力登霸屏，使用特色道具拍出观展新生，做光储界 KOL。2020年8月8日至10日，阳光电源馆17510，精彩持续相约。现场的观众朋友们，阳光电源展台为您准备了最硬现场打卡攻略。第一站阳光缤纷限定季，桑葫芦冰淇淋今夏如期而至，口味升级，包装升级。扫码关注至前台清凉兑换。第二站品质见证集赞礼，光储并济的实力，欢迎你的见证。拍摄阳光电源展台，发布微信朋友圈或抖音号集赞，您截图在前台领取礼品。集满18个赞送价值80元多功能数据线，66个赞送价值200元定制充电宝，168个赞送价值400元蓝牙耳机。第三站光储发电大挑战，体验闯关游戏的热情，感受精美礼品的召唤。上午10点，下午14点半，阳光展台大屏游戏区邀您 PK 电力值。第四站网红 ins 拍照区，不用翻墙也能实力霸屏，使用特色道具拍出观展新生，做光储界的 KOL。2020年8月8日至10日，阳光电源馆17510，精彩持续相约。各位现场的观众朋友们，光储并济数字互联发电大挑战活动现在正式开始，请各位朋友们扫屏幕右方的2维码，回复“光储并济”就可以参与我们现场的活动。那么现场获胜的前15名将会获得价值200元的充电宝1个，请大家积极参与。请大家扫描屏幕右方的2维码，回复“光储并济”就可以参加活动。我们的活动时间是10分钟，现在计时开始。10分钟后获胜的小伙伴就可以获得我们的精美礼品，请大家走过路过，不要错过。各位路过的小伙伴们，请扫描屏幕右方的2维码，回复“光储并济”，参与光储并济数字互联发电大挑战活动。点击活动链接，玩我们设置的小游戏，获胜的前15名可以获得价值200元的充电宝1个，请大家积极参与。
这边不能扫吗？扫一下，我看看我的啥样，应该是。
的小伙伴们，阳光电源光储并济数字互联发电大挑战活动现在持续进行中，请扫描屏幕右方的二维码回复“光储并济”，点击出现的链接就可以玩我们的互动小游戏。那么获胜的前15名将能获得价值200元的充电宝一个。我们的活动已经开始4分钟了，还有6分钟的时间，请大家积极踊跃的参与。活动结束还有5分钟的时间，请大家继续加油，继续努力。我们阳光电源光储并济数字互联发电大挑战游戏正式开始中，请扫描屏幕右方的二维码回复“光储并济”，点击链接就可以玩我们的现场互动小游戏。那么获胜的前15名呢，可以获得价值200元的充电宝一个。请大家走过路过积极踊跃的参与。现在距离活动结束还有4分钟。距我们活动结束还有1分钟的时间，大家继续加油，继续努力。 场的朋友们，距离我们活动结束还有1分钟不到。
它应该是个这个呀，是最高的那个。前面点也没有，前面点没有，它不是叠加的。过1万。能点1万已经很厉害。
点多少了？
能点22。
我不是多。
请各位不要走开，我们待会会在大屏幕上投出我们本次游戏的获胜者，请大家稍等片刻。好的，那么我们还有10秒钟，10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1。好，请我们的工作人员把我们获胜的朋友的名字投出来，投到第一个。
2万多，我操你妈的，2万多！
恭喜！
这2万多怎么点的
1万1啊！1万1。哦。我这是点1万，再高点8500。
那个2万多，2万5的麻痹。
好的，恭喜以上的小伙伴，有韩冲、银飞、瑞静特工、Real Lover、翟、正风、Bullets 006、
前面我们这个
星辰大海、丧雷、郭点点，这个朋友获得了2万清波、申盼盼、李金虎、韩怀斌及以上的15位获奖的小伙伴，是我们阳光电邮的前台领取价值200元的充电宝1个。那么下午2点半呢，我们将会有同样的活动，那么请大家持续关注，谢谢。
2万多。
那么没有获奖的小伙伴也不要灰心，我们展台上还有其他丰富多彩的活动，可以去前台扫码领取冰淇淋，并且呢可以发光储笔记，并且呢可以拍摄阳光电影的展台，发布微信朋友圈或者抖音号集赞，凭截图在前台领取礼品，集满18个赞送价值80元的多功能数据线，66个赞送价值200元定制充电宝，168个赞送价值400元蓝牙耳机。请大家走过路过不要错过，多多参与我们的活动。获奖的小伙伴请至阳光电影的前台领取奖品，谢谢。
还是这个换的，昨天都可能，昨天是随机，昨天是随机的。他妈的这2万多不可点的，2万5他妈的很多点了，我操，翻了1倍。
Hello everyone, welcome to Sangirl live show. Today we are going to talk about what you never seen before about SNEC 2020. First, let me introduce the honored guest, recent China correspondent from TV magazine. So recent, just say hi to our audience.
Hi, my name is Vincent. I'm the China correspondent from PV Magazine. Nice to meet you all, guys.
So recently, I know you have a one-day tour about the SNEC 2020. So how do you feel about this time's exhibition? What impressed you most?
Well, frankly speaking, I think the situation of SNEC 2020 is much better than what I have expected. Well, because of the COVID-19, the pandemic affected to the whole world. Well, I have thought that there may be only a few visitors come to this offline show. But yesterday morning I have participated in your new product release, and well, I saw so many people. I saw I almost cannot get through to the booth. So well, I think so many people, they feel free to come to this show, and they look by their eyes. I think that's because partially because of our government. They take good care of the people to the anti-pandemic campaign. So we have a very good control inland China about the COVID-19. And another reason I think is because of the perspective of the PV industry. We all work in this industry, and we all see the promising future of this industry. So we, we just take the risk, come here. Yeah. So yeah, well, generally it's much better than what I think.
So how do you feel about this live show, the Sangirl booth?
Well, that's quite amazing, I have to say. Well, it's my first time to have this kind of live show, and I'm a little bit, frankly, I'm a little bit nervous, but I think it's a very interesting and very good online marketing. I know Sangirl is quite initiative and aggressive in this aspect of the online marketing. I still remember in maybe I don't know, maybe in February.
Yeah, in February 1st.
Yeah, in February, you have maybe the very first online press release online. That time I participated. I saw a very good online show, and I still remember there may be around 1 million or maybe more participants into that showroom. That's really good.
Yeah, let me be detailed to this event to you. It's PAT, our PV technology, advanced technology. It's an annual event, but before the COVID-19, we do it offline. This year we put it online, and there are more than 1.4 million people attended. So we are very proud of that.
Well, you must have did a lot of efforts.
At that time, we're still working at home, so we do take some efforts to put it.
Yeah, back to February, nobody go to work in office. I was at home for about maybe 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Had a long vacation, but at that time I think Sangirl took a very good online marketing, because several other brands, their online marketing, it's not so welcome or so popular. Yeah.
Yeah. Last month we do online expo. Have you been there? It's the first smart energy virtual show since the Intersolo has been cancelled. So we put it online to fix the regrets of our PV industry.
I have participated, but I'm sorry, I didn't finish it. But I had a lot of
3 days. 3 days.
Yeah.
Just,
So, yeah, I heard you have Sandra presented some kind of VR or AR
just
showroom
on
online.
the first floor of our booth, we have a Sangro Online VR factory tour. Because we have the world's biggest PV inverter factory, so we put it online. Give you a chance to see our factories.
So I mean, you put your inverter factory online totally?
Yeah.
Wow.
We use some technology, maybe AR and VR, and just many people cannot go to this show. We put it online and we put it on the first floor, just below our this booth.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. Maybe I will go to have a.
After this, you can be experienced of that.
Okay.
Okay. So, you said you come to our booth to see the world premiere of the 1015 the ESA solution.
Yes.
So, how do you feel about this product?
Well, I think Sangro is taking some very precise market ways because the inverters used to be utilized on the PV stations, but now the PV plus storage is another trend, and Sangro takes the initiative in this area, and I think your inverter for the storage system solution is very, you call it ESS, right? It is very good product. I don't know the market value, market volume for the whole energy storage market, but I think anyway, Sangro takes the initiative and maybe lead the market. Yeah.
Yeah. So we are still in the maybe a post-COVID-19 area.
Yes.
So how do you see the effect or the impact to our PV industry, and how we can do communication during this special time? Maybe through the international media, like.
Oh yeah, that's a big question, and that's a good question. Well, I think from this January we saw the how a pandemic affected the whole world, and the human beings, they are united. One patient in Wuhan or one patient in any place, anywhere, could affect the entire world. And but the China government took a very good control of this pandemic within China, and we have controlled the pandemic. I think after March, most of the Chinese companies, they come back to work, and most of the employees, people like me, go back to office. And but since the second quarter, the pandemic spread outside of China, spread in Europe, in America, in Brazil, in India, and even in Africa. So I think this pandemic will not end in short time. So we have to get used to the new situation of everything. For the PV industry, I think you have did a lot of online marketing. You shift your previous offline activities and to the online activities. That's a good attempt. That's a good try. But I think for most of the Chinese PV companies, maybe they have to learn from the experience of Sangro. And as an international professional industrial media, PV magazine is I think the most influential media in the PV industry. And we help the PV companies to marketing their products, their solutions globally. So I think most of the Chinese PV companies, they needed to work with international media like BB Magazine closely to promote their products online much more than before. That's what I believe, and I think BB Magazine could do a lot of work for them. Yeah.
So, how do you see the trend of PV and ESS interconnection? It's maybe a very hot trend of our industry.
Well, I think first of all the PV, our world is facing a transition from the traditional fossil energy to the renewable energy, including the wind, including PV, and including maybe hydrogen. This kind of new, we call it clean or green energy, and within all these kind of renewable energies, the PV energy will be, I think, maybe most important part of them. And but the PV method has a natural weakness. That's it, instability, and it's not so stable as the coal mining energy. So the storage can
fix that.
Yeah, can fix it. The storage can fix it and make it a very good power in quality, as good as the traditional power. So I think just as the one of I think one of very good entrepreneurship in our industry, Mr. Li Zhenguo of Longji, he once said the PV plus storage is our future. I really believe in that. So I think Sungrow is taking a very good position in the storage part. Well, the future, we're gonna change to the a very high position proportion of the renewable energies. I think PV plus storage will take maybe one of the most important part of it.
Yes, Sungrow has been this segment of PV and ESS since 2006, and we have been installed 1,000 project solution of this, and with zero accident. So,
yeah. Sungrow did a lot of work.
Yeah, and we have been making very efforts to this. And the PV and the ESS interconnection, we see this interconnection is not the physical, it needs the technical. You need to combine all the technical combined. So it's a challenge for the, maybe we say it's integration. It's a challenge for integration.
Yeah.
And Sungrow did a lot of work on that.
Yeah, I think that is the value, that is the role of the inverters. Actually, the inverters, they call the inverter as the brain of the PV system, because the inverter, they collect information, they distribute information, and they adjust according to information. So the inverter will take the core role of a PV system and make the power output as good as the power we used before. That's a very important part of inverter. So, Sungrow really did a very good and very important work.
Yes. So, have you seen we have, besides the ESS solution, we have many product portfolio on that, like the residential and the CRI and the post-grade. So how do you feel about these products?
Well, I know Sungrow's products quite well. I have contacts with Sungrow for maybe a decade. Yeah, so I know Sungrow, they provide the inverter products for the residential and for the CNI and for the utility scale plant. you used to concentrate in the central type, but now you have a balance, a good balance between the central type and the string type. So I think Sungrow is a leader in the inverter part, and now Sungrow step out for the energy storage system. That will be that will be a real blue sea. We call it blue sea, a new market and full of promising future for Sungrow.
Yes. Sungrow's products has been installations in over 120 countries. So we are maintaining a market work share of 15, and we do a lot on our R&D. 14% of our employees are researchers. So, and we have 2,200 patents of our own. That's ranked #1 of the whole industry.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know your chief scientist of the storage system. I just talked with him yesterday, and he told me something about the storage system solution part, and I think that's really interesting.
Okay, so I think the time is near the end, and you give us some really good comments and the price.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my views with your audience.
So it's our honor to have you here.
Okay, thank you.
Next time maybe we can share more views on it. So let's say goodbye to our audience.
Okay.
So, bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
操！他说你们才30天才能回来。哦，对，是那个。司机给我过一个了。
again. Today we have honored guest Holly Hu from IHS, the senior analyst. So, would you please say hi to our audience?
Hello everyone, I'm glad to got the invitation from Sangro and join this interview.
Okay, so I know you've been here for several days and have a one-day tour of our SNEC. So how do you feel about this time's SNEC? What impressed you most? Just give us your feelings.
Sure. This year, SNEC already has the biggest, most important solar event held in Shanghai and held in China. And even under the pandemic of COVID-19 impact, so we know a lot of other international shows like Intersolar was be cancelled and a lot of events was be delayed. So SNEC was held and successfully right now, and it's quite give our industry quite a strong signal to show our solar still be the one of most important sector here. So for 2020, it's a quite unique year for solar and even for the global economic, because in the beginning of the year we are impacted by the significant impact from the COVID-19 virus, and that's why we are feeling have some special things happening this year. And but for this 2 days visit, I found quite surprised, because even under this circumstance, we still have so many visitors in these exhibitions. Although we have a less company to join this show, because a lot of foreign brands cannot join this show because they have a virus impact. And but we still found the heat of this show is quite surprise us. There's still a lot of company and a lot of visitors to give an exhibition in this big event. And secondly, we found a lot of companies, especially like module inverter players, they bring their quite high-tech products, such as we know the large size of module become quite a new trend for this hot topic in this SNEC. And also like inverter, we found a lot of players, they are giving the high-tech technology, using the AI, using the VR center to show their new products. Also, another difference is we know before the SNEC we have so many online events holding this year in the first half year, and such as we know in the early this year, Sangro also holding a quite successful PAT event online. Yeah, so it's quite impressive online show.
Attracted 1.4 million people online to attend our PAT.
Wow, it's quite
it's still during the COVID-19 period. We're working at home and to hold this event.
Yes, incredible event. Even when I at home, I still need to watching that show. It's quite successful, and information is quite high end. So I'm glad Sangro can holding like the industry event like that. Thank you.
And last month you joined our online expo, the Smart Energy Virtual Show. Since the Intersolar has been cancelled this year, we feel very regret, and we want to find a way to fix that. So we hold the maybe I think it's the first online export of our PV industry, and we attracted more than maybe 10,000 people.
Great. Hope that will be a big show for the industry. Yeah. Okay.
So this, this event has been online event has been a trend. So you've been here, and we have for VR factory show. Will you go in there? Have you experienced that? it's just on the first floor of our living room, of our living room.
Okay, I will definitely try that. I'm glad I can join that kind of event activity. You can interact with your visitors, and they can experience with the detail about your high tech. Yeah.
So, have you ever toured our booth? Do you see many products here? We have various products. So, how do you feel about that?
Well, I found currently the solar supplier there have so many activities, interactive program with visitor and with the exhibitors. So I found this quite interesting, and I will definitely try later on with your kind of interactive performance with your platform and other things. Yeah.
So speaking of the dynamic, the post-COVID-19, so how do you see the impact to our PV industry during this special time? You know?
Yeah, yes. Well, 2020 is a quite special year as for the solar industry, and that's why actually we are decrease our forecast in 2020 in Q2. Actually, is now we have a kind of 117 gigawatts PV installation forecast for 2020. The first part, it's the first time we're showing like 5% decrease year on year. That's quite different year because in the early this year we have a COVID-19 impact the whole China solar industry because the COVID-19 start from the China in the first quarter, and then in the start with second quarter we found like Europe and US, they are quite suffered from the impact of COVID-19. The pandemic impact the whole energy demand, even though the economic growth. So that's why we have a quite positive, negative insight to reduce our forecast to even only like 105 gigawatts. But now, when past 5 months ago, and we are tracking like the module and the inverter shipments in globally, and we found quite surprisingly, even on the pandemic of COVID-19, the Europe market and the US market quite stronger in the shipment volume. So that's why we are giving like 170 gigawatts hike than the previously forecast. And also we are quite significantly believe is the China mainland market for solar this year is quite robust. Basically, we have a few policy driver of China mainland because we have the final round of subsidy program in this year, and just 2 days ago we have an unsubsidized program also announced in the day before yesterday. So giving like 33 gigawatts level of unsubsidized program. So I think that's giving the so strong positive item for the 2020 solar market in China. So even though we have a kind of pricing hike from supply chain since July this year, because we found in the accidents in Xinjiang province, they have a polysilicon accidents. So that impact of the poly price and then transfer to the wafer and the cell price, that making the module players under pressure with the price hike. Even under we have already booking the subsidy program, that's making this demand a little bit uncertain. But we still got like 26 gigawatts of subsidy program pipeline. So that's why we are still believing in China this year. They will be the biggest solar market as well. So with 45 gigawatts installation forecast. So that's why we are still quite positive than we are before forecast. And but you know, the market always have a significant change. Even on the few quarters later, the story and quite scenario is well different. So we are quite close to track with the market performance and how the players doing in this market. Yes.
Do you know that Sungrow has a stable production and we deliver goods on time during this period? And do you know, in the first half year, our export data has been ranked #1.
Wow, congratulations. Yeah, it's impressive. Because under the COVID-19, a lot of market, like especially for Indian market, there's under quite a lot of pressures because they are depending on our exports because they have a less domestic manufacturing there. So the Indian market is quite under pressures. Even now, we know some the confirmed case of COVID-19 still increase in Indian market. That's why giving a lot of risk for this market for 2020.
But we have a local India factory.
Okay, that's another good story.
It's been opened and been working steadily. So just a few days before, we have celebrating its 2 years anniversary of this Indian market.
Congratulations. That will be solving a lot of problem when they are facing like the breakouts when we have no export products to India, because Indian is their end of physical year is the first quarter. That's why when China become the center of COVID-19 impact, we have a lot of products cannot go into the Indian market. But if you have a local factory, that's another kind of a chance. Yes, exactly.
So we see that although it's exportation of PV industry, but we see many ESS solutions. And last day we have the world premiere of our new ESS solutions.
Congratulations.
So, how do you see the trend of the PV and the ESS interconnection? So how do you feel about our newly released product of the ESS?
Yeah, for energy storage and solar, I think that's the best couple in the industry because firstly, solar normally like the renewable energy that's unstable when they have a power generation. But if we adding with the energy storage together, that will be solving a lot of problems because that will be making the solar and the storage become more efficiency and giving the high power generation part in the daytime for solar system and they can just put the power out when you're at night. You have a battery to support your electricity use. So that's I think it's a great couple to bring the renewable and bring the solar energy storage together. And we also have a strong team to analysis the whole energy storage market. And regarding with our research, we founding like we are segments the energy usage application in different ways. Like behind the meter and after a front meter, and we founding the usage of storage will bring from the renewable, and their like global market storage installation is like 40% installation is driven by the renewable installations. So that's why we think these two source of kind of energy use is quite efficiency and bring the market to many choice and opportunities to the whole industry. Yeah.
So we can say it's a new trend and we are being prepared for this. We embrace it, a new area for the parity, for the post-COVID-19 area.
Yeah.
Yes. Maybe you can talk more about the feelings about our booth. You just, you have a run.
I think now the Sungrow's booth is full of crowds, and they all I think they are quite enjoying with your product show and also the interactive performance with the visitors, and that will be very great experience to visit.
So how do you feel about the industry outlook of the second half year? Maybe you are very specific data analyst, and we want to hear your voice from the IHS to maybe have a forecast of the industry.
Yeah. Firstly, we are quite a big team to analyze the whole global solar market, country by country. We cover like over 85 countries in globally. We analyze the detail of countries' installation in the past, historical and forecast. So in 2020, in 2020 we have forecast over 30 gigawatts in the Q3 and 44 gigawatts in the Q4 this year. Why we are giving the Q4 this year, we are believing is reached a new history record for one quarter's installation for solar. Firstly, I mentioned already is the driver from the China market, because we have a lot of policy is coming to push the demand in the final quarter. That's why we're giving more than 20 gigawatts China installation happens in the Q4. So that's why we believe in Q4 is still quite stronger demand. And other thing is like US, due to the ITC's driver, their income tax credit policy, they still have a kind of motivation to building the solar and the storage. So that's why we are believing that in Q4 the US market is still quite strong, and the whole year for US market we're giving 90 gigawatts level of total full year US installation. So it's better than what we are usually expected. And but the one impact for demand is the residential and the commercial segments, because the COVID-19 will largely impact the motivation of these two segments installation, because when people are at home they cannot go out and they cannot building their solar system. Yeah. So the other thing is the economic way to doing the storage, doing the solar and commercial segments there, because it's quite impact about their economic slowdown. That's why these two segments we are facing a quite challenge. But for large scale projects, it's quite strong demand coming into the next year. However, from the supply side, we found this year we are kind of on the large size of power trend, especially from the wafer module, and even I think the inverter side, they also have a integrated system to supporting such large power products. So that's kind of a trend for the next few years, I think.
So I guess we still have more confidence.
Yeah, of course.
Although it's a special time, but we have confidence, and we will make our efforts to achieve our goals.
Of course.
So thank you for your very precise and very forecasting data.
Thank you.
I believe I and our audience has learned a lot from this time's conversation.
Thank you so much.
So maybe time's up. So let's say goodbye to our audience. Yeah? So see you next time.
Thank you.
This afternoon, we still have the online show of the SNEC 2020, so maybe you can just be with us. So, goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
位升级、包装升级，请扫码关注3group公众号，并前往前台清聊兑换。第二站，品质见证即在里，光储并济的实力，欢迎你的见证。拍摄阳光电源展台发布微信朋友圈或抖音号即赞，凭截图在前台领取集18个赞送价值80元多功能数据线，66个赞送价值200元定制充电宝，168个赞送价值400元蓝牙耳机。第三站，光储发电大客栈，体验闯关游戏的热情，感受精美礼品的召唤。上午10点，下午14点30，阳光展台大屏游戏区，邀您推电力值。第四站，网红 ins 拍照区，不用翻墙也能实力霸凌，使用特色道具拍出观展新生，做光储界的 KOL。2020年8月8日至10日，阳光电源馆17510，精彩持续相约。路过的小伙伴们，欢迎参与阳光电源最现场打卡攻略。第一站，阳光缤纷限定季，3group冰淇淋今夏如期而至，口味升级，包装升级，扫码关注至前台清凉兑换。第二站，品质见证即在里，光储并济的实力，欢迎你的见证。拍摄阳光电源展台，发布微信朋友圈或抖音号即赞，凭截图在前台领取礼品。集满18个赞送价值80元多功能数据线，66个赞送价值200元定制充电宝，168个赞送价值400元蓝牙耳机。第三站，光储发电大挑战，体验闯关游戏的热情，感受精美礼品的召唤。上午10点，下午2点30分，阳光展台大屏游戏区，邀您 PK 电力值。第四站，网红 ins 拍照区，不用翻墙也能实力霸凌，使用特色道具拍出观展新生，做光储界的 KOL。2020年8月8日至10日，阳光电源馆17510，精彩持续相约。
我经常拍东西3到4万。房里面呢，3往那里一放，手的都就忘了。这个怎么用？一般般质量嘛，一般般，也就是超市里面卖的那种，30块钱左右的。 上午2点。
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Good day. This is the second day of SNEC 2020 live show. I'm Aaron in the Sungrow Convergence Media Center. As Sungrow is an international corporation, we usually every year we invite a lot of customers to come to our headquarters in Hefei to visit our factories and to witness our cutting-edge technology in product manufacturing. But this year, unfortunately, for many reasons, as you know, the COVID-19 is preventing us to go abroad and preventing you to come to China. So maybe a lot of you don't have the chance to come to our factory to witness our manufacturing facilities by yourself, but don't worry about that. We just make it online. So today, for the next section, maybe half an hour, I will take you for a virtual tour online to present some major part of our factories to your own site. So please just follow me to start this fantastic tour. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sungrow's Industrial Park. This is the world's largest PV inverter manufacturing base. And Sungrow Industrial Park covers a total construction area of 300,000 square meters. It is equivalent to 40 standard football fields. In the main production base of Sungrow's PV inverter, power conversion system and integrated system energy storage systems. On the workshop roofs, a PV power generation system of nearly 5 megawatt has been installed. It's generating about 5 million kilowatt hour of clean energy per year. So let's get into the facilities and with the start of our EMC lab. Now what you see is our EMC lab. It is built in 2017. Sungrow invested RMB 30 million solely to build this chamber. Sungrow is the first in China that owns an EMC lab with 5 megawatt power distribution capacity. It is equipped with Rohde & Schwarz professional electromagnetic compatibility system and with a test accuracy level of first-class professional testing institutions. Now let's get in the chamber. Now we are inside. This EMC lab adopts the isolated power supply, satisfy the electromagnetic compatibility performance testing needs of the PV inverters, energy storage inverters, wind energy converters, and motor controllers of new energy vehicles. And it is an important infrastructure for electromagnetic compatibility performance testing. Now you can see there is a central inverter inside this chamber, just in the middle. So this is the central inverter platform. It is of a maximum power supply capacity of 5 megawatts, and the static load bearing capacity is 20 tons, and its base can rotate it by 360 degrees. Now let's move to the next station. It is our Sungrow Test Center. Sungrow Test Center was established in 2008 and now has a management system certificated by SNEC. And now it has 85 employees and it covers a total area of over 8,000 square meters. We invested about 200 million RMB in this infrastructure and the devices. Sungrow Test Center is a laboratory recognized by a lot of international well-known third-party certification institutions, such as SNEC, China General Certification, TUV Rhineland, CSA, TUV SUD, TUV Nord, Bureau Veritas, DECRA, and SGS. Now this is our HAST system. HAST means high pressure agent acceleration test chamber. The HAST adjusts the temperature, humidity, air pressure, and electrical stress parameter of the device environmental test. It is applicable to high pressure cooking and high pressure agent acceleration tests. It is mainly used for moisture-proof durability test of devices under the condition of high pressure, high humidity, and high stress. Okay, let's move on. Now what you can see, it is working on temperature and humidity environmental test chamber. This is a very large chamber with 250 cubic meters. It is available for our central inverter and is 5 megawatt full load test, which is about the product's reliability under the multiple harsh conditions. Now you can see the temperature here is very cold. It is freezing. Okay, let's move to the next stop. Here it is our energy storage system test area. This area, together with 3 megawatt microgrid experimental area, we use it to simulate the different working conditions such as connected grid switching and off-grid operating. Now it is the ESS system test platform. The entire floor is the test platform for our energy storage inverters. The key point is what I just mentioned is we built up a 3 megawatt microgrid system for testing. The roof of this building is all installed with PV panels, and the energy storage batteries container is placed outdoors. And we think it is a very advanced and practical method to test the products with a real power station, which ensures the efficiency and reliability. Okay, after we just view the test part, we move to our factory part. Now, this is our zero emission factory. Why is it called zero emission? Because since 2008, Shangro has been investing in the construction of nearly 11 megawatts rooftop PV power generation system, which is mainly installed on the rooftop of the company's headquarters and Shangro Industrial Park. Under normal sunlight conditions, the rooftop power station generates about 31,000 kilowatt hour of electricity per day. That is providing 11 million kilowatt hour of clean electricity per year, and that reducing carbon dioxide emission by about 11,000 tons. It basically meeting our company's daily office electricity needs and reflecting our company's practice of zero carbon production and promoting decarbonization of the global economy. Now, next station, it is our pack workshop. The pack workshop is for battery manufacturing. Now, when we enter the workshop, what we see here is a work billboard. According to this billboard, we can see the production process. It is available to customize the content, visualize the production process, follow the production order, and control the production progress. Also, we can inspect the finished product in real time. So at the same time, the billboard can trace the corresponding materials of certain progress very quickly. Now let's move to the pack product line. It is a fully automatic pack production line. It is very flexible because it is both available for NCM and LFP batteries. Based on Samsung's high automation and precision technology, the model assembly line ensures extremely high consistency of batteries. And quality test and control goes with the whole process of production. Let every process meet the technical requirements. The whole process information system makes the data inquirable, safe, and controllable. And totally for the annual manufacturing capacity, it is 5 gigawatt-hour. After the pack workshop, let's move to the energy storage system workshop. This workshop covers a total area of 8,000 square meters and is divided into several parts, including material storage area, part pre-processing area, home machine assembly area, and commissioning and quality inspection area. There's a whole machine assembly line which can produce 100 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt battery connection panel, including battery confluence, auxiliary power distribution, and protection. Now let's move to the outside. Oh, sorry. Now here it is the integrated system storage yard. Here, integrated system yard. For ESF's project, we provide a complete turnkey solution that integrates all products in a container, including batteries, power conversion system, an intelligent HVAC system, automatic FFS system, and a monitoring system. So you can see we just stored all our containers outside here. And customers can quickly deploy and greatly reduce the cost of system integration, transportation, installation, and maintenance. So as you know, Sungrow is first class of the world in not only PV inverters, but also in ESS systems. So after we visited the ESS workshop part, let's move to the PV inverter part. Shall we? Let's begin with the string inverter part. Yes. Now we are in the string inverter workshop. You can see here we have 6 automatic production lines in the workshop, and each lines have daily production capacity is 100 to 150 units. And what we see here is the production line of 166 kilowatt inverter. It is the largest single power string inverter worldwide with 1000 volts. And what is more, the SG250HX, the world's largest single power string inverter of 1500 volts, is also produced on this line. Each product line has 26 operating tables, and different workers are responsible for each process. Workers in key processes wear anti-static foot rings to prevent static electricity from causing damage to electric devices. Here it is the high temperature aging room. There are totally 11 aging rooms here, which can hold 280 units for the high temperature aging test at the same time. The temperature of the aging room can be adjusted between 45 to 50 degrees, and the aging time varies with products, usually between 3 hours to 8 hours. And the high temperature aging room is equipped with real-time data monitoring screens to control the operating temperature of devices. Now, after the aging test, products are sent to the preparation area for inspection. Products passed the test are packed together with accessories. Each inverter is provided with an independent barcode for easy tracking. Okay, after the string inverter workshop, let's move to our last stop. It is the central inverter workshop. Now, for the first glance, you can see this module processing area with 6 axis handling robots. It is equipped here to load and unload the central inverter modules automatically. The robot can perform clamping stress control to effectively avoid damages to the materials. The clamp can also rotate with 360 degrees and is replaceable. It can also recognize and avoid collisions. And together with the wave soldering robot, the handling robot can weld heavy modules up to 30 kilograms automatically. Let's move on to the cable production area. The cable production area here is organized by a specialized team. All key processes are done mechanically, and they are automatic winding inserters, automatic crimping machines, optical fiber grinders, and tension testers. Workers here only engage in assisting positions, such as cable dispatching, label processing, and harness inspection. And here it is central inverter workshop. There are 4 automatic production lines arranged in different shape according to the complexity of models. And each line has 90 meters long with 24 assembly stations. Workers can operate both in front and behind their positions. It is very flexible for the job tasks. And production paces can be adjusted according to the tasks, and each production line can produce up to 120 megawatts per day. You know, product goes through 5 major processes and over 100 of sub-processes from commencement to completion and delivery. And each station is equipped with an LED monitor to update the SOP in real time and guide the workers' operations. And each part of an inverter has a separated material number for file management during the productions, so it can be traced and handled timely in case of future problems. Well, to now, we just finished our virtual tour about our factory. I believe it is it's a good chance for you to have a better understanding of our manufacturing facilities. Actually, we really hope in the near future, all of you can have the chance to come to China, to come to Hefei, to come to our headquarters, to witness our cutting-edge technology for manufacturing by yourself. You know, I can spend a whole day accompanying with you for a real tour in our factories. So, hoping we can meet all of you friends in our factory in China, and good luck for you. Okay, so this is the end for our factory tour. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
阳光 把源源不断的能量送达地球。阳光使空气流动，形成了风。我们拥抱温暖，感受拂面微风。SunGrow 把大自然的恩赐转换为人人享用的清洁电力。在SunGrow，我们有大量的专业人才，他们把激情转换为行动，他们把梦想转换为现实，他们把需求转换为服务，他们是技术的先行者，他们是时代的见证者，他们是产业的贡献者。为客户提供可持续的高效能服务，成为可靠的合作伙伴。这一切可靠卓越的背后，是坚持不断的自我革命，是求所不止的创新研发，是一丝不苟的严苛测试，是严谨细致的生产规范。针对每一个细节的执着追求，确保每一件产品的可靠高效，而一切的最初是为了成就客户的不变初心。以技术创新为原动力，实现可持续的高效能。新的能源转换技术将全面取代传统模式，将清洁电力送入千家万户。我们致力于成为清洁电力转换技术全球领跑者，引领高效能的清洁电力时代，加快生态文明建设的步伐。SunGrow 和你携手迎接未来，让人人享用清洁电力。阳光把源源不断的能量送达地球。阳光使空气流动，形成了风。我们拥抱温暖，感受拂面微风。SunGrow 把大自然的恩赐转换为人人享用